Namaste, welcome to Monday Bytes from ChitraCars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives, subscribe the channel and write your comments in the comment box. And thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. Today we're talking about 5 important verdicts which Supreme Court has given for the benefit of the car owners. Number 1, valet parking in hotels. It's mentioned in the valet parking at owner's risk. That is not right. The valet person is responsible till he handovers the car to you as it is. Then driving in NCR, that is in Delhi. For example, you are from outstation, from any other state. You are driving the car in Delhi. The car should be not more than 15 years if it is petrol. If it is diesel, it's 10 years. If it is more, you are liable for punishment and seizing of the vehicle. Minor driving a car in the streets is very, very offensive. The owner, the registered owner, is liable for imprisonment. And for example, you are taking a private car and you are parking in a shopping mall, and in the parking lot you are consuming beer or liquor or something, or doing some offense in the car which you are liable, so you will be punishable. Then there is another verdict on the airbags not deployed when an accident happened. For example, there was an issue in Chitra when the airbag was not deployed, and the consumer has put a case in Supreme Court and he won. It was told that whatever reason the airbags doesn't deploy, the consumer is at benefit and the compensation has to be paid to the consumer. These are the 5 verdicts which are remembered for the benefit of the consumer. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think ChitraCars. Thank you.